Hello, very welcome back to Closing Bell on the 29th of January 2021 on a Friday. Today is a massive onslaught. It's a huge waging war. All I can say is Wall Street has struck back on the last day of January. We thought we had a good month starting off, but no, this week has been crazy yet again. Expected this morning, and I sent everyone a warning that this will happen. And I want to share with you what I think, what I've bought, and what my expectation and plans are for next week, because I don't think this is over. So the VIX shot up to 37, hovering at 34. There was a calm period in the afternoon, and then it just waged on really aggressively. Huge dump. Wall Street institutional investors are just dumping stocks. They want to spook. I repeat, they want to spook. Retail investors are fighting back with cash, trying to hold the fort, but yet the sell-off still continue. So there are loads of discounts for stocks like the likes of Tesla, Apple's on sale, Microsoft, AMD, loads of hypergrowth stocks on sale like the likes of Etsy. So before all this happened, I want to just share, which I should have shared before, but I did share it on Twitter on the 25th of January on a Monday by the name of Tommy Yayo1. Follow him, great guy. And he shared this VIX chart, okay? The VIX has been reacting quite weird. Normally the VIX should be coming down, but there was on the bottom trend line, it was showing that it was going up the week before. So this shows to me that something was really strange, but I wasn't 100% sure because there was no one vouching with me on Twitter. So I noticed that it was creeping up, and also at the same time when Reddit, Wall Street discovered a huge short all coming in for the likes of AMC, on the likes of GameStop. So lots of shorts going on the small cap and all the big cap on the great earnings. I call this the Wall Street trap. Okay, correction trap. They wanted to plan this all along, so they waited for the best earning team, Tesla, Apple, Microsoft, AMD, to happen in the week, and so that people will buy on the up, and then they will dump the stock like a deluge together with GameStop, AMC. But luckily, Wall Street Reddit survived it by dragging the market up, so that it did not fall as bad as it would have been. I think this will happen. I think they will try again next week, because remember, next week we've got Baba, Google, Amazon, PayPal, Qualcomm, Pins, Unity, and all these companies should have a great earnings again. With data that we know that they're going to show us, like 2021 is a great recovery year, and the stocks are doing really well over Christmas and will carry on their growth for 2021. But Wall Street wants us to trick that let's all buy in, it's all good, a bull market, and then boom, they want to pull the trigger and dilute on us again. So over the weekend now, the market's still running. Over the weekend, I want you to do homework. What do I mean by homework? Look at your portfolio, look at what you're lacking. Prepare your list of what buy triggers you have, the buy levels. Prepare. Don't go in panicking, thinking, what shall I buy? Where shall I go? What shall I sell? Okay? You should prepare what you want to buy, prepare how you're going to diversify your portfolio, prepare how you're going to deploy your cash. Keep a game plan, keep a list on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday next week. And also, that will be your bullet number 3. I believe you've got your bullet number 1 on Wednesday, bullet number 2 today, and bullet number 3 next week if it still goes on a deeper sale. Okay? So what I say is bullet number 4, if you do run out of money, I would advise a risk transfer. Okay? I should have done that video. I've done that live session before. Risk transfer, look at the stocks that you don't want. It might be at a loss, but think about it. The loss that you sell, take the loss and buy something better. For example, okay? I would sell my GHIV at a loss and buy Tesla, perhaps 780 or 760 if it drops further, because the likes of Tesla will be more secure and it'll be good pricing if you do run out of cash, for example. Or another example is I may take profit off Amazon, or by 5% off profit off Amazon, and then risk transfer it to, again, Tesla, or risk transfer it to AMD, because I think there's a better upside potential for them. So things like that, you don't necessarily have to sell and wait. Sell and risk transfer straight away. That's my advice for you guys. They're doing it in January because they know that it's January blues. We're all on a credit card terms, we're running out of money, and there's no enough money to invest on stocks. But we retail investors, we mom and pop have been saving money over Christmas and New Year. Getting smart savvy with money, so we're not going to get spooked. When I say get spooked, is they're trying to scare you off. They're trying to scare the new investors away. Investors that have less than 18 months experience, haven't really seen a real bear besides the COVID-19. They want to scare you off. They want you to take loss, and they want you to go away and never come back. And then they start buying these stocks on the cheap. This is how I see it. I've seen it many times in the month of February and March. What have I bought today? I just want to share with you what I bought today. I bought some Etsy, I bought some SEA, and I'm quite happy to get into this e-commerce stock back. I think, you know, SEA, Southeast Asia, doing well. Etsy, I like it. I bought it about 199. And then Nano Dimension and Vuzi, I still like them. Nano Dimension dropped under 12, 13 bucks. Vuzi dropped as low as 11, but it went even lower at 10. But that's where I grabbed some, top up some, not too much, okay? And I top up on AMD, Sony, Nintendo, because again, great, good, global, great company stocks that I'm holding. I bought some Bitcoin after Elon Musk tweet, exactly 14 minutes after the tweet came out. Not tweet, he changed his description. I bought some Bitcoin, so hopefully that should help me, protect me a bit on the fall. So other plans for myself next week is I'm doing my risk transfer. I'm looking at selling Amazon if I need to raise cash, if I do run out of cash. GHIV also, if I need to take loss, I'll take loss because there's a huge amount I've invested in GHIV that might not come, but depending on the earnings next week as well on the 3rd of February. So this is me on the Friday night. I'm so hyped and so energetic. It feels like a waging war that, you know, hardworking guys and girls and moms and pops, brothers and sisters like us, we just want to put our money aside so it will grow, okay? So all these hedge funds, these wealth managers are all trying to, I shouldn't use this word, the M word, to mess with the market, healthy profit taking, trying to spook people with less experience. So, okay, so all the best. Don't let emotion play. Remember, all I want to say is homework, homework, homework. Prepare, prepare, prepare. Don't go in blindless. Make sure you got levels that you want to buy. When you make that note saying Tesla buy at 790, my buy trigger, next buy at 730, oh, follow that rule. If it doesn't touch it, don't swing the bet. Make sure when it touches it, swing the bet, and that's it. So you have an executable plan. Thank you very much. This is me. I want to get some rest and also go back on Discord and join the conversation with everyone else. It's free, but if you want to support me on Patreon, to support my page, to support my work, please feel free to support me. I'm always welcoming and also get to know you more as well. Alright, I've spoken long enough. Take care. Bye. Have a good day.